everyone. Today we are here to present our project. Our project topic is Robot for Serve Food and Medicine to the patients of coronavirus in India. I would like to introduce my group members. My name is Shweta Bundi. My group members are Gayatri Gundla, Shubhangi Hasbe and Jyoti Gaikwad. First of all, I would like to share the importance of our project. Nowadays, the world will face a very critical pandemic situation. Due to this pandemic situation, all over the doctors and nurses facing some problems like to maintain social distance and to provide overall facilities to the patients. To overcome these problems, we have decided to help them by using research and current technologies. We make a single modular robot which includes multiple functions are developed in it and reduction in COVID problems related to the patient service.
Moving forward, the next is the block diagram. First is transmitter and another is receiver. First, when we press the remote button, this input gives to the encoder. In encoder, any type of data is converted into binary form. Then it passes to the transmitter. Then the transmitter transmits the signals to antenna. Antenna receives the signals. Then it passes to the receiver. Then the next is receiver. Receiver receives the signals. Then it passes through the decoder. In decoder, decoding the signal to its original form, which is encoded signal. And then it passes to the relay model. The relay model is used for switching purpose. Then the 5-volt regulator is used for receiver and decoder circuit because its capacity is 5 volt. Then 12 volt and 7.2 ampere battery is used for relay model for moving and forwarding for motor.
Advantages of our project. First one, highlight the role of robots in fighting the public health crisis. Second, encourage the use of robots to supporting social distancing. Help your company update project even with a small staff. And last, protect yourself from COVID-19 situations. Next is application. It is used in hospital, it is used in quarantine area, it is used to food delivery, and it is also used in commercial, residential and industries.
Now, I will explain or play experimental setup is work in progress.
This is the transmitter. Transmitter transmit the signal and receiver receive the signal and pass to the relay box. Relay using for switching purpose. So when we are press the button, then transmitter transmit the signal, receiver receive the signal, and this signal pass to relay board. Relay board using for switching purpose for running the robot. So when we are use motor 1 and motor 2, and wheels are used for forward, reverse, back and left side moving robot. So this is the tray of our robot. Tray for food delivering and sanitizer. This is the sanitizer and medicine delivery. Another section is the medicine delivery for corona patients, COVID-19 situation. This situation we make the robot. This robot work is not completed. Work is progress.